This 20-minute teriyaki chicken lo mein is faster than takeout, and honestly, way better. Cut 1 pound of chicken thighs into bite-sized pieces. Place the chicken in a mixing bowl and sprinkle with salt. Mix until the chicken has fully absorbed the salt. Add white pepper, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and cornstarch slurry. I have here a teaspoon of cornstarch mixed with 1 tablespoon of water. Mix well. Lastly, add 1 tablespoon of oil to lock in moisture and prevent sticking during stir-frying. Let the chicken marinate while preparing the other ingredients. You can also marinate it for longer if you have more time. Cut the onion, carrot, cabbage, scallions, and garlic. In a bowl, mix together soy sauce, dark soy sauce, sake, mirin. If you can't consume alcohol, you can replace sake and mirin with water, brown sugar, and chicken stock. Do you like your noodles more saucy or drier? Drop a comment, I'd love to hear from you. We're using fresh lo mein noodles, which are sold in the refrigerated section of most Chinese supermarkets. If you can't find them, you can substitute with udon, ramen, or angel hair pasta. In a pot over high heat, bring water to a boil. Place the lo mein noodles in the pot and cook for about 3 minutes, or just until al dente. Be careful not to overcook. They will continue cooking during stir-frying. Transfer the noodles to a large bowl of cold water to stop the cooking and prevent sticking. Drain. In a wok over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil. You can use any high smoking point oil like avocado, grapeseed, or peanut. Add the marinated chicken and stir-fry until completely cooked through for about 3 minutes. Add the minced garlic and stir-fry until aromatic for about 10 seconds. Remove from the wok and set aside over high heat. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Toss in the onion, carrot, and cabbage. Stir-fry until slightly softened, about 1 minute. Remove and set aside. In the wok over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the lo mein noodles and cook until heated through. Return the chicken, vegetables, and teriyaki sauce. Stir-fry for about 1 minute. Lastly, stir in the scallions, allowing the lo mein to soak up most of the sauce. And that's it! I hope you try it this week and let me know, what's it better than takeout? You can also pair with my quick and easy egg drop soup for the perfect meal. If you enjoyed this, subscribe, follow, and like for more Asian recipes ready in 30 minutes or less. Want a copy of my cookbook? Is linked in the description. Thank you so much for watching.